Man.
That we're going to do is another defense against a grab or a push. And the first part of it, or the entry, is the elbow deflection. Now I'm going to show you how the elbow deflection is done for those that don't really know. It's not that complicated. So in slow motion, he goes to push. I take a little slight step, flanking him slightly, and I roll his arm pushing off of my elbow. That brings his body forward, opens him up to a strike to his throat. Okay, from there, I go underhook. Now that strike to his throat is going to give me time to do all this. I add in some knees, then over the head throw to take down, then head stop on his hands, anything I want to do, and then escape.
Man.
Pay attention, be aware of your surroundings, and check out this video.